Question number 2. Mrs. Kajal, a registered supplier of Jaipur, Rajasthan, has made the following surprise in the month of January. 1. Supply of laptop bag along with the laptop to a consumer of Mumbai for 55,000 exclusive of GST. 2. Supply of 10,000 kits at rupees 50 each amounting to 5 lakh rupees exclusive of GST to Ram Fancy store in Kota, Rajasthan. Each kit consists of 1 hair oil, 1 beauty soap and 1 hair comb. 3. 100 kits are given as a free gift to Jaipur consumer on the occasion of Mrs. Kajal's birthday. Each kit consists of 1 hair oil and 1 beauty soap. Cost of each kit is 35 rupees. But the open market value of such kit of goods of like kind and quality is not available. Input test kit has not been taken on the goods contained in the kit. 4. Event management service provided free of cost to her brother for his son's marriage function in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Cost of providing such services is rupees 80,000. But the open market value of such services and of service of like kind and quality is not available. 5th point. 1,400 chairs and 100 coolers head out to function garden Ajmer, Rajasthan for rupees 3,30,000 exclusive of GST, including cost of transportation. The chairs and coolers from Kajal go down at Jaipur to the function garden Ajmer. Mrs. Kajal has paid the cost of transportation of chairs and coolers to an unregistered goods transport agency GTA located in the state of Rajasthan at rupees 20 exclusive of GST for each chair and each cooler, and in turn has charged rupees 20 only for each chair and each cooler from the function garden for transporting of the same. Interest of 6,400 inclusive of GST was collected by Mrs. Kajal in January from Ram Fancy store, Kota, for the payment received with the delay of 30 days. Assume the rate of GST to be as under. Laptop, CGST 9%, SGST 9%, IGST 18%. Laptop bag, CGST, SGST 14% each, IGST 28%. Hair oil 9%, CGST 9%, SGST respectively, IGST 18%. Beauty soap 14%, CGST 14%, SGST and 28% IGST. Hair comb, CGST 6%, SGST 6%, IGST 12%. Event management services 2.5%, CGST 2.5%, SGST, IGST 5%. Service of renting of chairs and coolers 6%, CGST 6%, SGST 12% IGST. Transportation services CGST, SGST 2.5% each, IGST 5%. From the above information compute the GST liability, CGST, SGST and IGST as the case may be of Mrs. Kajal for the month of January. Excellent question, na? Beautiful. Very easy, my dear. All points you are aware of that. I am going to first have a working note on this. I will explain. You also inform me the answers what I am asking you. And once you understand the answers, how to answer this, neatly I will show it to you for presentation purpose. Let us first start. Who is our client here? Mrs. Kajal. She is from where? Jaipur, Rajasthan. It is need to be understood CGST, SGST or IGST purpose. Intrastate or interstate. First case, supply of dash. First point, my dear. First point here. Laptops. In the first case, laptop they supply to consumer of Mumbai. From where? From Rajasthan. From Rajasthan to Maharashtra is inter. Value is there, consideration is there, 55,000. Will attack GST? Yes, yes. So what are GST are attractive? For laptop, how much GST? IGST. They given in the problem. For the laptop, IGST 18%. For the laptop bag, 28%. Now, laptop supplied along with the laptop bag, which is a composite supply or mixed supply? Composite supply. Laptop bag along with the laptop, no. Is the ordering cost of my business only, no? Yes or no? So, is a combo supply. What is the predominant element? Bag or laptop? Laptop. Therefore, the is a supply of laptop. Enter value will attract at the rate of 18% GST. Got the clarity, my dear sir? If there is a case, apply here on this 55,000 exclusive of GST. Therefore, applying here 18% IGST is equal to how much? 9,900 is IGST in first case. Completed. What? One point is completed. Now going to second point. Supply of 10,000 kits at the rate of 50 each, amounting to 5 lakhs exclusive GST from Ram Fan to Ram Fancy in Kota, Rajasthan. Interested? Interested. Concession is there? Yes, is there. So 5 lakhs on which CGST. What rate applicable here? They mentioned for the what we call here is kits. Okay. Kits here comes here. In each kit consists of hair oil one beauty soap and one hair comb. Now, in the given case, my dear sir, is a mixed supply. Each one has independent market. So, for hair oil, what rate given in the problem? For hair oil, they given 18%. Okay. Then beauty soap 28%. Thereafter hair comb 12%. So among the three, which is the highest rate of GST? That will apply on the three. Hair oil, beauty soap, hair comb together is a mixed supply. Highest rate is what? 28%. That will apply on the entire value. Is it clear, sir? So if that is the case, my dear, tell me, in the given case, 100 kits, I mean to say here, 10,000 kits, each 5 lakh rupees. So 5 lakh rupees at 28% of GST. So CGST 14%, SGST 14%. So CGST is equal to, how much comes here for you? 70,000. How you got this? Rupees 5 lakhs multiplied by 14%. Same way of SGST 70,000. Got the clarity, brothers? So second point is completed. Third point. 100 kits are given as a free gift to whom? To Jaipur customers. On the occasion of the Mrs. Kaza's birthday, she given to their customers. Customers are the relatives or what? Customers means what? The buyers. They are various people. So they are not the related parties. It won't come under Schedule 1. If not falls in Schedule 1, where there is no consideration, not a supply. Therefore, I can say that not a supply. Point number 3. Is it clearer? Further, my dear sir, referring to you. Point number 4. Event management services provided free of cost to her brother for his son's marriage function in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Cost of providing such services rupees 80,000. But the open market value of such services and like kind and quality is not available. So okay, fine. Brother is relative. Only when he is a dependent on such person is said. Then how can I presume and assume they are dependent? Dependent means what to say. I am depending on my parents. I am depending on my brother. My elder brother is the Advocate General. Simply I am sitting and eating in his house. Yes. Get my point, sir? I have no other job. Watching TV, drinking soft drinks. and sleeping. My pocket money also giving my elder brother. That means to say that he should be dependent. That means what here say that the supply of goods or service by a person of the same family, parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, depending on, wholly or mainly depending on such person. Now, here, brother depending on causal, whether anywhere mention this point to you? As a result, I will say non-relatives. In the exam point of also same. Unless specifically said. Or you can say, it is assumed that since there is no relationship clearly mentioned whether depending or not, thereby treated as non-relatives. That is a positive assumption. So, I will take here, my dear sir, a positive assumption. So, my dear sir, in the given case of point number 4, I will say that assuming as non-relative and no consideration. Therefore, not a supply. Further, my dear sir, I am giving clarity here, point number 4. If there is ambiguity, settle the issue in favor of assessee. This is always tax planning approach. Here also benefit of doubt goes to assessee. At the same time, my dear sir, here also I am telling you, in the examinations you have to give assumption, a positive assumption, since the this particular recipient of such goods, services, not specifically mentioned, depending on such person. Therefore, we assume they are non-relative. Positive assumption. Further, point number 5. 1,400 chairs and 100 coolers hired out to function hall, namely function garden, Ajmer, Rajasthan, intrastate supply. How much value? 3,30,000, inclusive of GST. Means what? Is a far sale. I told no. Who bearing the transportation charges? Supposed to bear by supplier. I am hiring out my chairs and coolers. I should provide this to your place. So transport included in that. So total value supplier. Here two values are there. One is called as hiring charges. Other one is GTA. Now, is a composite supply or mixed supply? Composite supply, because sir, it is my nature of business is hiring out of my chairs and coolers. Whether the customer comes, how can he carry? He'll carry on his hand, on his head or what? He will get mad. So, I will say, sir, where is your place, sir? Place is function garden hall. Okay, fine. Where, sir? Ajmer only. Rajasthan, fine. I will supply, don't worry. Mrs. Kajal said, I will supply to your place. It's the ordinary course of their business, bundled with each other. So, composite supply. Principal supply? Hiring out of chairs or GTA service. There are two services are there, hiring of the particular, what we can call it as the chairs and coolers, one service. And another one is GTA service. What is predominant? Hiring of chair. That GST will attract. What is the GST here mentioned? For hiring. See here. Service of renting of air, how much? 12%. That means CA GST is 6% each. That only applies. Is clear? Transportation charge 5% won't apply. Because composite supply. Therefore, here, point number 5, 3,30,000 multiply by 6% is equal to how much? 19,800. CGST again same 19,800. Yes, GST. Got the clarity? Further, they said Kajal has paid cost of transportation of chairs and coolers to an unregistered GTA. Sir, cause registered person, cause registered person receive the services from unregistered person of GTA. Just now I told you in the earlier class, I told you, if the GTA provide these services to a registered person where the supplier GTA is a registered person, is a recipient only liable to pay GST what rate? 5%. So it is taxable under the RCM. How many chairs? 1400 chairs. How many coolers? 100. Together how much? 1500. 1500 numbers. Multiply what rate? 20. So the value comes here how much? 20 rupees per chair and cooler. That means totally how much? 1500. Sir, 20 rupees each chair and each cooler. So price remains same. 1500 numbers. Multiply by 20. How much comes? 30,000 is the value on which 5% GST. Means CGST 2.5%, HGST 2.5% under RCM. Therefore, 2.5%. How much comes here? 2.5%. 750 CGST and 750 SGST. Got the clarity with this? Any difficulty? It is RCM. These two should be paid under RCM. While paying this, you should not avail any input as credit, in fact.
Transaction fifth is that, once again, 1400 chairs and coolers from Ganjal border, one customer taken, sir.
Where they are charging the hiring charges and the transportation charges together 3,30,000. It's a composite supply.
Okay, sir. Okay. Then, they're
Supplying. And they are receiving, Kajal receiving from somebody else who is an unregistered GTA who carrying the goods.
Oh, these chairs, coolers, she may not have it with her.
Yes. Chairs are their own. Chairs and coolers are owned by Kajal. But should transport from the place of the Kajal to the place of the function garden, need a vehicle. Vehicle is hired by Kajal by paying a freight. And that fellow who provides the GTA service, unregistered person, therefore received the services which is under RCM. Reason, recipient registered person, supplier registered person, GTA service. That's the reason.
One transaction between Kajal and the GTA, one transaction between Kajal and Asma.
Nice. Is clearer, my dear sir? Fine. Further, they said here, interest 6,400 inclusive of GST was collected by Kajal in January from Ram Fancy Store. Actually, to Ram Fancy Store, what they sold? Laptops. Laptops sold. Correct, Amma? Laptop only sold, no? Yes, to Ram Fancy. Sorry to say, kids, Ram Fancy, my dear. Ram Fancy, what they sold? Not the laptop, it is a kits. So, here, kits, 10,000 kits sold to Ram Fancy Store. If that is the case, what rate of GST we applied here? CGST 14%, SGST 14%, that means 28%. That GST also, same for interest also. Interest also. Understand. Therefore, interest 6,400 rupees charged. Against what? Against the loan or against supply of goods? Supply of goods. CBIC given clarification. If the interest charged against the loan, advances, not a supply. If it is against goods or services and collecting the payment in deferred manner will be supply. Therefore, 6,400 inclusive of GST. Therefore, 100 divided by 128% because 14% CGST, 14% GST. How much comes? Rupees 5,000. This 5,000 is a taxable supply. Is clear? So liable to pay CGST how much? On 5,000. 14% comes how much? 700. SGST comes 700. So totally 1,400 liable to pay. Got the clarity? All the points covered or not? Now finally answer is completed. Now you have to put in a tabular form. Neatly you have to record. Is it clear, my dear sir? Solution for the given case is as follows for your kind consideration. Answer to question number 2. Look here. Answer to question number 2. Neatly you record this. I put in tabular form. And the GST, CGST, SGST, IGST, forward charge as well as the RCM. Neatly you record, my dear sir. All the points I already explained to you. Presentation is important in the exam point of view. And final answer is this, net amount to pay. They have not asked about input task kit for us, therefore we are not considered. Please make a note of this. Is also very important question, my dear sir. Question number 3. Power Engineering Private Limited, a registered supplier, is engaged in providing expert maintenance and repair services for large power plants that are in the nature of immovable property situated all over India. The company has its head office at Bangalore, Karnataka and branch offices in other states. The work is done in the following manner. The company has a self-contained mobile workshop which are container truck fitted out for carrying out the repairs. The trucks are equipped with items like repair equipment, consumables, tools, parts and so on to handle a wide variety of repair work. The truck is sent to the client location for carrying out the repair work. Depending upon the repairs to be done, the equipment, consumables, tools, parts and so on are used from the stock of such items carried in the truck. In some cases, a standalone machine is also be sent to the client location premises in such trucks for carrying out the repair work. The customer is billed after the completion of the repair work depending upon the nature of the work done and actual quantity of consumables, parts, extra used in the repair work. Sometimes the truck is sent to the company's own location in other states from where it is further sent to the client location for repair. Workout CGST, SGST, IGST as the case may be of Power Engineering Private Limited, Bangalore on the basis of the facts as described. Read with the following data for the month of November. Trucks sent to own location in Tamil Nadu. 1. The value of items contained in the truck 3 lakhs. The value of the truck 25 lakhs. Truck sent to the client location in Tamil Nadu for carrying out the repair. Standalone machine is also sent in the truck to client location for repair. Value of items contained in the truck 2,85,000 rupees. Well, the standalone machine 4 lakhs, truck 20 lakhs. Billing of repairing done afterwards depending upon the actual items used. Further, truck sent to client location in Karnataka for carrying out repair. Value of items contained in the truck 1,06,000. Value of truck 20 lakhs. Billing for repair to be done afterwards depending upon the actual items used. Further, invoices raised for repair work carried out in Tamil Nadu, including the invoice for repair work done in B, 70 lakhs. Invoices raised for repair work carried out in Karnataka, including the invoice for repair work done in C, 12 lakhs. Also specify the documents, if any, which need to be issued by Power Engineering Private Limited, Bangalore for the above transactions. All the given amounts are exclusive of GST wherever applicable. Assume the rate of GSTs are as follows. CGST 6%, SGST 6%, total IGST 12% for items used for repair. Container trucks, standalone machine, CGST, SGST 2.5% each, IGST 5%. Was contract for repair and maintenance of immovable property, CGST, SGST 9% each, IGST 18%. You are required to make suitable assumptions wherever required. Excellent question, RTP question it is. Easy to answer, my dear. Very simple. Goods sent on seller approval basis. Is supplier? No. Is clear? Further. If I send the goods today, I come to know the value of that particular supply only after completion of the work over there. Means sending the goods and sell appropriation. If not use the goods over there, the goods will come back. And actual quantum of my supply will come to know only when I supplied. In that case, in the given case, first you take A. Transaction of A you take. Here. Value of items contained in the truck, 3 lakhs, sent to their own location, means interstate branch transfer, distinct persons. 3 lakhs supply. Yes or no? 3 lakhs. In stock, my dear, is stock. You see, stock. Value of items means stock. Interstate supply. So 3 lakh worth of the goods, which is supply. So here, what is the GST applicable for the given case? Items. The given GST. Items is considered 6% CGST, 6% SGST. Given? No. Given. Here 6 and IGST 2%. Interstate department transfer IGST. What rate applicable here? 12%. On 3 lakh, 12%. How much comes? IGST? Rupees 36,000. Is it clear? For the second case here is a point number B. In fact, here point number B. Here, truck sent to client location in Tamil Nadu for carrying out the repairs, and that further supplying. These are all the items supplied, but we do not know what value actually going to consume. Therefore, that time we not supply. Is clear? Further, they said here in the point number D. Items supplied in B, invoice raised for 70 lakhs. That means for the entire value of supplies, how much value is rupees? 70 lakh is the value of supply, 70 lakhs. Now a doubt may come, sir, what about your truck sent to, in the point number A, truck sent to own location. Truck sent to own location 25 lakhs. Not a supply, you are aware of that? Yes, sir. Why not a supply? Clarification of the CBIC. Not a supply, interdepartmental transfer of vehicles at interstate level. Vehicle movement between distinct persons at interstate level, not a supply, unless meant for further supply. So, is not a supply. Therefore, I have not referred that. Now, point number B, filterized as a supply at point number D with the value of 70 lakhs. So, 70 lakhs intrastate supply, interstate supply. Interstate supply, who supplied? Karnataka, Bangalore. After sending the goods to the branch, from Karnataka, Bangalore, they supplied to the client in Tamil Nadu, 70 lakhs worth. Interstate supply. Will attract what? IGST. What rate? It is a work, they supply their material and also service. Works contract service. Works contract, what rate given there? 18% is equal to how much comes? 18% is equal to how much comes? On 70 lakhs. IGST is equal to rupees 12 lakhs? 60,000 is the IGST in the case of point number B, which is concluded at point number D. Further, point number C transaction, when they supply these and all, they don't know value of supply actually. Therefore, point number E, they said, the invoice raised in the point number E for 12 lakhs, invoice raised for point number E, point number C at point number E. Invoice raised at point number E is regarding to point number C transaction. What value here? 12 lakhs. Where they rendered a Karnataka. Supplier in Karnataka. Intrastate supply. Also was contract. Therefore, CGST. What rate? 9%. SGST. What rate? 9%. On 12 lakh, how much comes? 1,08,000. 1,08,000. Again 1,08,000. Got the clarity, my dear friends? Any difficulty, my dear sir? So, answer over. Answer over. Neatly you can record. The solution is as follows. Answer to question number 3, namely A3. Just neatly record. Simplify its solution for lengthy problem. Neatly record, my dear sir. With this scope of supply applications to the maximum extent is concluded. See you in the next class. Thank you, my dear friends.